Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today I have an exciting role for the freshers and those with up to 2 years of experience. So with Cognizant is hiring for the position of process executive in their B&L team. So if you are good with MS Excel and have an interest in customer service and want to step into the world of mortgage services, then keep watching because this video will cover you all you need to know about this role, what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, what the skills that are required, all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathon, scholarship, lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start by understanding what this role is about. So Cognizant is looking for the process executive for their B&L team. So specifically in this mortgage services domain, this position is all about handling the customer service and managing the process and supporting the mortgage loan operations. So throughout the loss mitigation activities, sounds technical, right? So don't worry, we will break it down further. In simple terms, a process executive is the role works with ensures the customer satisfaction in the mortgage services. So by streamlining the processes, resolving the customer inquiries and helping to manage the mortgage collections to prevent the financial loss. This job will give you hands-on experience in managing the customer's data and using the MS Excel for data tracking and reporting. Now let's dive deeper into the daily responsibilities. Here is what a typical day might look like for your process executive. So first, customer interaction. You will handle a customer queries about the mortgage account, ensuring each interaction is documented. Data management and as well as Excel reports. You will work extensively with MS Excel to track and analyze the customer's data for process environment. And collection activities. Part of your role involves helping with the collections by tracking the activities and making sure everything is compliant with the company standards. Process streamlining. So we're collaborating with your team to improve workflow and boost your customer satisfaction. And the last, that is documentation. Keeping accurate records of interaction and ensuring everything is in line with a procedure and as well as regulation. So these responsibilities are not just about the technical tasks, they are about building a strong foundation in customer service and operation within the finance domain. Now, what skills do you need to excel in this role? So first, you should have a more strong in MS Excel skills. Knowing how to analyze the data and create a reports is essential to them. As a Excel, you will be your main tool for process tackling, familiarity with the basics customer services, and a background for interest in the mortgage services. We will also set you up for success in this role. So other skills that Cognizant values in this role is effective communication, so both verbal and as well as written for smooth customers interaction, attention to the detail to accurately document interaction and track the collection activities as well. And the third, problem solving, identifying the issues and improving the process for customer satisfaction. And the last, that is teamwork. You will work closely with others in your team, so being a team player is crucial to them. And if you have a certifications like certified mortgage services or a Microsoft Office specialist is in Excel, that's a big plus for you. Now, why should you consider this position at Cognizant? Here are some reasons. So great for freshers with a 0 to 2 years of experience required. This is an ideal starting point for those looking to enter into the corporate world, especially in the finance and as well as customer service. Number 2, that is skill development you will be getting. So working in this role will help you to enhance your skills in data analysis, customer service and process management, skills that are valuable in the industries as well. And the third, that is growth opportunities. Cognizant is known for its internal growth, so performing well in the could be open for your advanced role in this operation. So if you are motivated, a fast learner and as well as excited to work in a collaborative, fast-paced environment, this role could be your gateway to promising career. So before we close, here are some of the tips for your application standout. So highlighting MS Excel skills, emphasize your technical proficiency in Excel and show the data analysis or report generation also. So second, that is showcase the relevant projects if you have worked on any other relevant projects. And next, that is prepare for customer service questions. So be ready to discuss any experience you have a customer service or problem solving. And if you're interested to apply for this job, the link is there in the description box. You can apply it over there. And if you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.